Hey everyone, it's Colin. How's it going? Just a quick one here. This is my Rigol 1054Z. It's kind of a basic oscilloscope, but it's really popular with hobbyists and people who just want to get into using tools like this but don't want to spend a ton of money. I've had it for just a couple of weeks. I've been getting used to it and wanted to check on some things in the software. Now, this is a pretty decently featured scope for its price, but there are some optional upgrades in terms of its functionality that you can unlock by buying a license key code for each of those. And it's one of those deals where it's like, you know, you buy it and they send you a big long string of letters and numbers and you kind of key it in through the software and it turns on that feature. The hardware is capable of all that stuff, you know, out of the box. They just lock it down in the software side. Well, of course, people have figured out how to generate those license key codes for free. They kind of reverse engineered the process. And so I wanted to kind of figure out what the status is on this particular scope. Like, what features does it have? What's been unlocked? What's still in trial mode? All that kind of stuff. And so I was kind of rolling through all the things and I'm going through the menus. And so you go into options and then you can just view the installed features, you know, by clicking on this one. And what I noticed is all of the features are already unlocked. Now that would make sense if I had bought this scope used. Like if I had bought it off of eBay or something, I'd figure, okay, well, someone will already had gone through and run that software hack on this to unlock all the features. But here's the weird thing. I didn't buy this scope used. I bought it from Rigol's own clearance section on its website. It's where they'll sell things that are like demo products or customer returns or factory refurbished kind of stuff. Anything that came in for warranty and they just decided to replace so that they could rework it, whatever. You know, it's the clearance section. I saved like $100 in the process by buying it from there. Normally these go for about $400. I paid just a little over $300 for this unit, but all the software features are unlocked. So that can only lead me to believe one of two things. It's gonna be either Rigol unlocked all these features and I just got a hell of a deal on a fully optioned up 1054Z. Like, if this is legit, they for whatever reason unlocked all of them, or maybe this was a customer return or a demo where they had paid to unlock all of the features and hey, I just won the lottery on it. Or this was a customer return where the person who had previously owned it had run the hack and Rigol didn't check for it when they brought the thing back in on a return. Could Rigol really have just been like, okay, whatever, we don't care? I mean, that's hilarious if that's the case, and I really have no way of telling. I mean, it's right here. They all say official, and this is exactly what it says as well when you run that firmware hack. It all just marks them as official. Curious as to your thoughts. Do you have experience like this as well? Did you buy a refurbished one from Rigol and got the same thing? I kind of can't believe that would have slipped through, but hey, you know what? Either way, I'll take it. Anyway, thumbs if you like this one, sub if you haven't already, Twitter, Instagram @thisdoesnotcomp, and as always, thanks for watching.